Pneumococcal pneumonia is a potentially serious bacterial lung disease that in severe cases can lead to hospitalization. It may hit quickly, without warning, causing you to miss out on the things you enjoy most. Prevnar 13 is not a treatment for pneumococcal pneumonia. It's a vaccine you can get to help protect against it. Prevnar 13 is approved for adults to help.
Message is transmitted at the request of the Utah Division of Emergency Management in conjunction with the Utah Highway Patrol. This is an update to the law enforcement warning issued at 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The characters from the Duolingo franchise have completely overrun Utah, Salt Lake, and Davis counties. At this time, all residents are being advised to evacuate the counties previously mentioned immediately. Get necessary supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, phone chargers, and a battery-powered or hand crank radio. Contraflow has been enabled on all highways leading out of the counties previously mentioned, and the speed limit has been increased to 100 miles per hour for a quicker evacuation process. Continue to monitor your local media outlets for more information on this extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not delay. Evacuate now.
Look at the toll addiction is taking on children and families. One nation overdosed. An in-depth special series this week.
We are wired with 100 billion nerve cells, so when aggravated nerves